We've been traveling around the country launching Springboard Enterprises Australia's 6 Accelerator program. This is an amazing opportunity for you to be able to grow and scale your business.
We want women to have everything they need to build bigger, sustainable, globally focused companies. Because we are the sister program of the US, we have access to all of their alumna and all of their networks, which they've been building up over the last almost 20 years now. We're not for profit and we do not take equity. We have no other interest except to see you succeed.
Applications are now open for the Springboard Enterprises Australia 2018 program. We look forward to receiving your application.